2019 Chevrolet Silverado will come standard with a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, General Motors announced today. The new Turbo 4, which makes 310 horsepower and 348 pounds-to-foot of torque, will replace the 4.3-liter V6 as the base-level engine in the 2019 Silverado LT and the new Silverado RST. The engine will be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. GM has yet to provide fuel economy estimates and towing figures for the 2.7-liter engine. If you're not interested in a turbocharged 4-cylinder pickup, not to worry. The 4.3-liter V6 and 5.3-liter V8 will stick around, serving as the base-level engine in the lower Silverado trim levels, the Work Truck, Custom, and Custom Trail Boss. Those models won't be available with the 2.7-liter engine. The LT and RST will be available with the 5.3-liter V8. However, as well as the new 3.0-liter inline-6 diesel. If you want the 6.2-liter V8, it's only offered on the upper echelon of the Silverado lineup, the LTZ and High Country. Both of those trim levels will come standard with the 5.3-liter V8. Chevy says Silverado production will commence in the third quarter when it begins building with crew cab V8 models. In the fourth quarter, production will expand to include regular and double cab trucks, it says, in addition to V6 and 2.7 liters turbo-equipped models. The new Duramax 3.0 liters inline-6 turbodiesel won't be available until early 2019. Full price and details will be available closer to the 2019 Silverado's launch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.